Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you app. It's called FirstCry India baby and kids application. So how can you get this application? You have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone and go to App Store if you use iPhone, then search FirstCry India baby and kids. So you can see the rating of the app 4.8 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing, and 726k reviews and 39 megabyte size of the app, and 50 million plus people already download this app or uses this app. Okay, so you'll get here online shopping for baby and kids products, pregnancy, baby care and parenting application. So what you need to do to get this application in your device, so simply tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. And today's no more friend, and thank you for watching the video.